There is a long tradition of building with bamboo in Ethiopia. Some ethnic groups have developed their own specific bamboo housing construction techniques, which are unique and easily distinguished. A sterling example would be the Sidama house, which is almost entirely built of highland bamboo. A beautiful onion-like shape is made for the roof with a triple layer of bamboo splits and ropes for structural support, culm sheets for insulation and rain protection. A woven basket-like cover on the outside ties everything together and protects the house against rain and wind. The construction process of the Sidama vernacular house starts by putting door frames in an assigned position. The frame is made of eucalyptus tree and function as a guiding element for the wall and roof construction. Following that, a 1.2 meter height wall, which is called madada, is constructed around the perimeter. Madada is a structural wall which is a combination of juniper tree and bamboo. The juniper resists termite attacks and sustains the building for a longer period of time. It will be weaved with a horizontal and vertical lined splits of bamboo. This is the first phase of Sidama vernacular house. The second phase begins with erecting the central pole, which functions as a scaffolding for the construction of the roof, and it will later be replaced by a permanent eucalyptus tree. In a most unusual way, the work of the roof structure begins on the ground level and continues to be raised up high to a desired height. The split bamboo are intertwined vertically as well as horizontally to make structurally sound element, which is called hibro. As the span of the weaved element increases and reaches the periphery of the building, it's difficult to continue with the endeavor. To tackle such a problem, progressively raising the structure on the pole is an ideal solution. After it reaches the maximum height, it will be joined with the madada to create a visually complete structure. The other character which gives the Sidama house a unique feature is the absence of windows. If there is demand for additional opening, the roof structure will be cut out to create a small hole which can function as a window. After the completion of the hibro work, the external layer will soon take place. The layer consists of honje, a waterproofing bamboo sheet, and shaka, an external weaving element which keeps the honje in position and drains water away from the house. Concerning the finishing work, the temporary central scaffolding pole will be replaced with a permanent eucalyptus tree. This pole tends to represent a cultural symbol more than it does with structure. It strongly represents the head of the house, and even elders refuse to enter to the space in its absence. Window and door has additional cantilever-like structure which gives a protection against harsh sun and rain. The internal layer consists of two elements, namely kiricho and chicho. They have more of an aesthetic attribute. Chicho covers the madada while kiricho encircles the rest of the interior. As to the final touch, bamboo mat will be used as a floor finish material, and at the most upper part of the roof, an umbrella-like structure which is commonly known as anat is used as a decorative element. The construction of this kind of house does require a considerable amount of work. The traditional knowledge and skill employed in this local bamboo construction is astounding. Standalone buildings made from natural fibers don't last long, particularly at these altitudes. But the construction techniques evolved over thousands of years, which continue to hold direct relevance to the day-to-day life, is worth for World Heritage recognition.
Mama. Yama